Hey folks, Mike here again. Just doing another quick unbox of the first figure from the G-frame box set that I just recently picked up. I just did the Sazabi, and that one was a great little toy, great little kit. Here he is again. But now, noticed a few little things that I didn't notice in the previous video. Actually, I should have just read the box and figured out what bust model. Alright, so in the Sazabi kit, I couldn't figure out what that was for, so it's just basically a small toy bust, which is pretty cool. Nice to have a little extra. You can see there. And then you get the action frame, which is the fully posable frame, and the weapons in box 1. And then come over to box 2. Yeah, you see, reading helps, people. You can see non-action hanger is what they call it. That's the static skeleton from the previous video. And then all the armor bits. So I'm going to crack these open real quick. Not going to take as long as before. And then just do a quick assembly. See how they look. So I'm a big fan of these little figures. I was actually going to buy 2 boxes, but the shipping was ridiculous, so I wasn't going to do that. It took long enough. More freaking gum. Now that we got a clue as to what's in the boxes, I can blow through this probably a lot faster. Shield, rifle, funnels. Here's the bust of good old RX-93. Oh, really nice detail. You can paint that up if you want, or just keep them as is. That might be cool on a little placard. Put on someone's desk. Anyway, back to the action. So the frame is different, you can clearly see. If you'll ever focus. Oh my God. So again, these frames are superposable. Got a full knee bend, full elbow bend. Didn't even realize that before the other one. Look at that. Flex that muscle, huh? Look at that. Waist. And I just noticed something kind of interesting. Compared back to back to the inner frame of, this is from the Wing Gundam EW real grade, and they're almost the same size. It's a little bit shorter, but kind of weird. So that's kind of neat. It's kind of like a little pocket-sized real grade, if you think about it. Alright, so there's the body. Let's see. Ugh. Armor. Lots of armor. Stand there. So again, the armor is all mounted on the what's it called? Non-action hanger. And then the static legs just pop in like this. There's the static foot. So the arms. There's the arms. So these just slide right off. The open hand. Can I get this on without taking the shoulder off? No. So again, you have to undress it from the non-action frame hanger, whatever they call it, and then dress it up on the to get the posable. Oh, bro. Come on, come on. There we go. So what are these? These are the waist, parts of the foot, rear skirt, back of the leg looks like. Foot. Front of the back of the legs. Backpack. Now, once you do the first one, these other ones look pretty easy. So this clearly has to come off. Comes in there. Symbols of the foot. Symbols of foot. Yep, I did that wrong. There we go. That moves. Oh, man. I always feel like you're going to break this thing. So the arms move a little bit. Those legs pop right off. Now, how are you supposed to get that in there? You gotta take that whole arm off. I think that's right. Probably not. Probably easier to get the side skirt out of the way. So this looks correct. There it goes. Oh my god. Wow. Some of these parts are actually really hard to put back on. So I'm not going to go crazy because I'm not going to use the static, but you get the idea. Roughly, that's what the static non-action looks like. Put those damn skirts on later. I still don't get what's the point of that. Jesus Christ. Alright, so roughly that's what it looks like. Man, again, that's big. Look at that. Four and a half, roughly, inches, not counting the extra stuff. So I guess if you bought the other one, you just get. If you just bought the armor box, you could do this. All right, so I'm going to take this apart and then slap all the armor onto the frame. Be right back. All right, so here is the armor mounted on the frame, and I didn't mention this before, but these come with a mounting hole for stands. So here's one of those basic stands, and you can see here. The shoulder, this left shoulder is a little bit loose, so I had to pinch the plastic a little, but you can see he's just as bendable as the Sazabi. Flexible. He has a shoulder kink here that actually I didn't notice before, but lets you bring the shoulder all the way up there like that. Full bend. And he's got a movable on the back. I'm going to put a little, I think when I do this guy, I'm going to put a little thruster here. Some plastic. Cover up the back of the thighs like I said I was going to do with the other one. I really hate these funnels. They're kind of annoying, but this is a lot better than the way the other ones fall off. So side-to-side comparison, and again, this is a tall figure. I didn't realize how tall these figures really were. But there's the V next to the Sazabi. I really enjoy these, and I can't wait to get. I think I'm definitely gonna have to get the next set. So as soon as it's available, I'm gonna order it. It takes forever, but maybe I'll pay for the extra shipping. You can see. And here's the hanger frame afterwards. And again, that's a real grade. That's the real grade wing. So that's the inner frame. It's kind of weird that they're almost the same size. But anyway, hope you like this. And next up is going to be the unicorn. Later.